us about the Little Mermaid.
Well, it's about this fish. She lives in the ocean. And basically what happens is that she wants to become human, but there's a bad fish who doesn't want that to happen, and it turns out to be that the fish, the nice fish who wants to be human, kills the bad fish, and after that, she lives happy ever after with the guy who she falls in love with.
Is that how it goes?
Are you joking?
That's kind of what it's about, right? Isn't
It's
it?
about a fish?
No, well, mermaid. Mermaid's a fish, isn't it? Half fish. Oh, I'm sorry. Half fish, half human.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what happened? A bad fish doesn't want that fish to become human?
Exactly. Yeah.
So then what happens?
And then yeah, they get into a fight, and then the good fish kills the bad fish, and then that's it. Yeah. You know. Actually, on land, the bad fish becomes human,
Right, okay.
and then they, whatever, they fight.
They don't have any names, right?
Ursula. Ursula is the
Ursula,
bad fish.
yeah.
Yeah.
Who's the good
And
fish?
Ariel is the good fish.
There we go.
Yeah.
Wasn't there a crab? There was like some
Yeah,
crab.
what, Sylvester was his name?
Sylvester.
No.
No, so Sebastian.
Sebastian, yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Alright.
I cut.